The Los Alamos authorities and police department issued a shelter-in-place warning for Los Alamos County. At around 10:30 a.m. the Los Alamos National Laboratory was conducting an experiment trying to separate a proton using nuclear reactors energy. However, the experiment failed horribly, causing the whole facility to explode on itself, releasing hazardous chemical materials that can cause serious illness to people breathing it. Seek shelter in your home, lock all doors and windows, seal every crack or little openings in your home. Do not turn on the AC. Gather food, water and a radio or a phone to follow future updates. Avoid travel. If it is absolutely necessary, bring an oxygen mask with you. Only travel by car or any other type of vehicle. Do not travel by foot. Stay within this channel or station for future updates. The Los Alamos authorities and police department issued a civil danger warning for Los Alamos County. At around 12:30 a.m. people began to report objects being missing near the facilities. Other reports says that tree, socks and even people were being pulled inwards the ground. Entire forest completely disappearing like they never existed. We are currently investigating on the situation. Continue to shelter in your home. Travel is absolutely forbidden even by vehicle. Bring food, water and a radio or a phone and stay on this channel or station to follow future updates about the situation.
The United States government and the United Nations issued an end-of-the-world alert for all of the world. The cause of the missing objects being pulled inwards was because of a tiny black hole caused by the explosion of the Los Alamos National Laboratory this morning. In exactly 2 hours, the black hole will consume Earth. There's nothing we can do to stop this or to destroy the black hole. Gather with your loved ones and spend happily this final moments with them. May God have mercy on our country and our people.